Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to generate APK. So this APK is basically we are generating so that we can upload it on Google Play Store. Or so for that just open this main activity.java, then click here on build and click this option generate sign build bundle for APK. Now you will be given two options and you have to choose this APK. Okay, so after choosing APK click on next. Here you have to create a key store path. For me I have already created it, but if you have not created it, it will be blank here. So for that, if you want to create a new path, click on the create new, click here in this folder, and like you have to choose one of the folder where you want to store this APK. So okay, I have not created, I will first create the folder. So just open this app where you have stored. So my app is stored here. Now just create a folder and give it some name, like give it as a key. Okay, now from here select the folder, like you will see the folder key. Okay, then click on this icon. Now it will ask you for a name, so just give any name you want to give, like I will give app remover. Okay, then click on OK. Then it will ask for password. Give any strong password you want, and you have to again confirm it. It will ask for a password again, but you can like insert same password from here to here, or you can give a new password also. It doesn't matter, you can give this password also, or you can set your new password again if you want. Then give it your name, Pankaj, and then organization unit name, add name you want, and these three fields you can insert it or you can left it as a blank. So after this just click on OK. Then your key store path has now been created. After this click on next. Like if you want to release this app, so click here on release, and remember to check these both boxes. If you didn't check these boxes, your app, when you upload the APK, it will not accept that APK, it will result into an error. So check these both boxes, and after this just click on finish. So now your you will see that your Gradle build is running, and so this will make your like generate your APK. So it will take some time to generate the APK. So you will now see that your APK has been generated. So you can find where it has been located by just clicking here, or you can open this folder, go to your app folder where your entire Android project is been saved. So in that, just you can see that we have created a folder. Now there is some file app remove.jks, and if you want to check the APK file, just go here in app and here in this release folder. So you will see that this is the app release APK has been generated. Okay, so now after that you can upload this APK on your Google Play Store console account. So okay, thanks guys.